Hello viewers, welcome back to Publishing Guru. I am an assistant to Publishing Guru, as you all know. So I'm back with a video on how to schedule free consultancy meeting on Atom services for Amazon KDP business. So for this, first of all, you have to visit atomservices.org. As I explained in my previous video, that when you visit atomservices.org, there are a few tabs such as home services, packages, schedule a meeting, customer login, my card. So just click on schedule a meeting. A page will appear with and with a calendar. So let's suppose we are going to schedule a meeting on Saturday, 16th of April 2022. We just have to click it, and then we just have to select a slot and confirm it, and then we just have to put in a few more details, and it's done. Thank you.